Hello, and thank you for tuning in to this month's episode of As the Patch Turns, where the star of the show this month is ConnectWise Automate 2022.4. In this episode, we're going to start talking about the top fixes in this release, and then move on to a conversation about what's new in 2022.4. For a full list of fixes in this release, please consult our release notes, some of which you see here. One is a network probe issue, where the device would still show as a network device after the probe had deployed the agent to it. This has been addressed. Another issue was related to the heartbeat time on a Linux agent, which has been fixed. Continuing on fixes, we had an issue with searches when the searches contained multiple columns in the result. All columns would not display properly in the result, and that's been fixed. When using the desktop client, there were behavior problems around the steps to skip parameter. That has been resolved in the script editor in the desktop client as well. These fixes are around the Web Control Center, an issue around adding users to a group, issues around the user management grid, and the remote monitor grid. These have all been addressed and are fixed in 2022.4. Now let's talk about what's new in this release. All of these are related to the script editor. We've added copy-paste functionality for script steps within the same and across other scripts. We have finally given you the ability to use the Save As function when saving a script. One of our ConnectWise Automate best practices has always been, don't get sloppy, make a copy. Well, here I can now take an existing script and save it with a different name, causing me to have a safe copy to not worry about ruining my original. We've made it much easier now to enable enhanced script logging. Now script logging will be much easier within Web. We've also added search functionality in the Web, so I can search within my script to find certain text. Keyboard control shortcuts have also been added for simplified navigation, for example using up, down, enter, escape on the keyboard when editing a script in Web. Here on the left-hand side, you can see I have the toggle for enhanced script logging, and then I've got the pop-up for information about what is going to happen when I turn this on. Over on the right, we see my Save Script As in action. Here's a screenshot from my script. I've got the search field right at the top. I'm looking for everything that contains app. More new content. To the group screen, we have added 3 new tabs in the Web Control Center. We've added a Network Devices and a Contacts tab, and we've added a read-only version of an Internal Monitors tab. More features to be added in the future, but for now that remains read-only. We've also added a target type column to the existing scheduled scripts grid in Web. So when I go look at scheduled scripts in Web, now I can see the target type in that column. Here I am in a group, and you can see I have the Internal Monitors tab present there. This is giving me a list of internal monitors that are present on this group. And you can also see I have that Contacts and Network Devices tabs that are new within this release as well. Thanks for joining us today, and please be sure to join us next time in As the Patch Turns.